The second phase of nationwide vaccination drive against COVID-19 began today. The largest such drill undertaken till now, 33 states and union territories will be covered under it. The aim of the drill is to simulate the actual administration of the vaccine drive, the Health Ministry said. Enraged residents of Kakwa, Konjeng Lekai stormed Singtamai police station seeking justice for Saugrakwam Ongbi Sunita, who succumbed to gunshot wound at RIMS hospital yesterday. Motum Robindro, aged 35 years, yesterday shot Saugrakwam Ongbi Sunita, wife of Surjit, with his licensed gun. Teaching and non-teaching staffs of LMS Law College have decided to stop online and offline classes in protest against the plan for recruitment of new teachers by the state government. The decision was announced during a press meet at the college. Haubam family unveiled a statue of late Haubam Surendra Kumar at Andro Natural Park today. Relatives and friends attended the function. 7 persons have been arrested as Assam police claims to have busted a module suspected to be of the Ben Ulfa I, which was allegedly involved in recruitment and extortion. Police said the members of the module plan to send 10 youth to join the Ulfa I training camps in Myanmar around Bihu. According to media reports, the corps got whiff of the recruitment around Christmas when 2 boys who were traveling to the outfit's hideouts in Myanmar for training returned midway from Dimapur in Nagaland. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan hailed the scientists and doctors for their work in the field of coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine development and said vaccines will be provided to the people of the country in a few days. According to media reports, the Union Health Minister was speaking after visiting the Rajiv Gandhi Government General Hospital in Chennai to review the arrangements for COVID-19 vaccine dry run, which is taking place today. A combined team of Commando Unit Bisnupur and 16 Assam Rifles yesterday seized a huge cache of arms and ammunition belonging to the Ben KCP during operation at Oinam. On receiving information regarding the presence of some KCP cadres who were planning to carry out prejudicial activities in and around Oinam Mayangpat area, the team led by Assistant Superintendent of Police PH Sunil rushed to the area and launched an operation under the overall supervision of Superintendent of Bisnupur Y. Saktisen Singh. Forest, Environment and Climate Change Minister Awangbo Nyumai today launched a website of community-based sustainable forest management, Manipur, at the Forest Headquarter Men Conference Hall located at Sanjenthong in Imphal. Project Director of Community Forestry and Water Conservation Society Manipur, CFN WCS M. L. Baite and CFN WCM Vice Chairman K. Angami attended the website launch program. India has recorded over 1.03 crore confirmed COVID-19 cases and 1.49 lakh related deaths so far. The Indian regulator has granted restricted emergency use approval for Covishield and Covaxin vaccines. Today is the 290th day since India implemented a nationwide lockdown to help curb the novel coronavirus pandemic. India has reported 18,139 new COVID-19 cases, 20,539 recoveries and 234 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the country's count to 1.04 crore, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said today. Manipur in the past 24 hours registered 44 new COVID-19 cases, pushing the tally to 28,531. A 92-year-old man from Chutanpur succumbed to the disease in the last 24 hours. Now the death toll stands at 364 in the state. The active cases are 490, while the recovered cases are 27,677. The state's recovery rate is 97% as per the data provided by the COVID-19 Command Control Room. Assam Rifles along with Mizoram Excise and Narcotics Department seized 203 grams of heroin in Champai district yesterday. One drug peddler was nabbed in connection with the seizure, Assam Rifles report said. According to media reports, the consignment of contraband worth Rs 81.20 lakh in the local market was smuggled from Myanmar. The accused was booked under relevant sections of the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. Mizoram Deputy Chief Minister Taunluya laid the foundation stone of Aizawl Indoor Stadium at Republic Vengklan in the state capital. The project, to be constructed at a cost of Rs 763.45 lakh, has been funded by the Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports under the Khelo India scheme. The centre has already sanctioned Rs 450 lakh for the project.